What's up, guys? It's evening time here in Copenhagen. It's Wednesday, and I've just put my daughter to bed. I'm dead tired, but I'll be making a study anyway because tomorrow we're going to the zoo. I'll be drawing some animals, so I wanna warm up for that, get into structure of animals by doing a little study. So I've allied myself with a good glass here of raspberry soda and another friend, the graphite stick, and then of course the always all-knowing drawing master Gottfried Bammes. And let's just read aloud here from the study I will be making because it's quite interesting. Before the artist gets down to drawing lavish details, the basic aspects and features of the body should be drawn. He should clarify the spatial proportions and the position of the body within the space, as well as simplifying the body into basic shapes, as in this example, showing a cheetah lying down and walking. Pencil and broadly applied graphite on A3 paper. I'll be doing the studies now. Check it out. Why do a study of this box-like cheetah, and why even put an animal into a box in the first place? It seems maybe a bit boring to draw this structural way, but there are some quite beneficial things about it. Gottfried Bamis has put years into becoming a drawing master, and frankly it's not easy to draw something as simplified as he does. The things that help you when putting things into boxes is that it makes it easier to understand what overall shape we're working with. So for instance, the wedge shape here of the cheetah, that is the gist of the gesture, as the stomach is a higher plane and it kind of slopes down to the legs, which is a more narrow plane. You can also tell how the sidelines of the wedge goes into perspective, and it shows us how the planes of the cheetah protrudes backwards into space. And this is overall super helpful when you want to draw complicated poses. And this is a complicated pose because it's foreshortened. Also the legs of the walking cheetah, here I can place the legs so correctly because I have that simple shape of the box to go for. I think it's really nice illustrated also by Bamis because we can clearly see how the neck is coming out of the ribcage in the cheetah in this example here of the walking cheetah. And in this way, it's also super helpful for understanding anatomy. Again, it can feel a bit boring or meaningless even to do these studies if you're not used to it. I felt that way in the beginning. But if you drew, say, a cat from observation and you wanted to learn more about the structure of the cat, the way it moves, the way it rests, the like really get into the structure of it, then things suddenly become really interesting to you because you get interested into knowing how the structure is. You will also find it easier to begin to draw cats from imagination when you know the structure of the planes more and more. So I enjoyed this study even though I was really tired, and I convinced myself that it came in handy today where I visited the zoo with my family. I did some sketches and some of them I colored in. I'll share them now. I especially enjoyed the sketching of the alpha male monkey. Well, enjoy and thank you very much for tuning in.